everyone! Are you ready to change your future in aviation? Join DAC Aviation's Winter Internship Program. Think about getting real-world experience with experts and learning all about the exciting world of airplanes and flying. DAC Aviation Services is super excited to offer our Winter Internship Program starting January 6, 2025. Our program mixes learning in the classroom, fun presentations, cool videos, and activities where you get to do things yourself. You'll learn a lot about managing aircraft, how flights work, and the newest technology in aviation. Listen to what past interns have to say. The DAC internship gave me amazing hands-on experience and helped me meet people in the aviation industry. I learned so much about how aviation works in real life. Stuff I couldn't have learned just sitting in a classroom. Ready to get your career started? Our one-month program is perfect for students studying aerospace engineering, aviation management, and similar subjects. Come join us at our office in Delhi and make your dreams of working in aviation come true. Visit our website or get in touch with us to apply. Let's reach for the sky together. DAC Aviation Services, changing aviation with data, analysis, and consultation.